The current state of human and environmental health in America is extremely poor. This is largely due to the amount of meat that we consume. If we were able to reduce the amount of meat that we produce and consume, we could impact the environment and public health in so many positive ways. We would be able to reduce our carbon footprint. We would be able to minimize water usage, since so much of our water supply goes to factory farms in order to support the production of cattle. We could also reduce our dependency on fossil fuels, which are a non-renewable resource. In addition to that, public health would be directly affected because pollution would be reduced due to less runoff from factory farms. Also, eating less meat on a personal level means living longer due to reduced cancer and disease risk. In addition to eating less meat, consuming less meat as a culture, we would also like to see polyculture integrated into our agricultural practices, maybe even by replacing monoculture altogether. Because crops are rotated in the practice of polyculture, this means less erosion of soil. We would be able to conserve the amount of topsoil that we have, thus reducing the need for pesticide and fertilizer usage. This would mean healthier crops. This would mean less soil erosion, and ultimately it would affect public health directly by reducing the amount of pollution that we produce. In addition to that, we could also lessen the amount of genetic engineering that is required for so many of our crops to stay hardy. Ultimately, both of these practices mean improving both public and environmental health greatly.